ikaw, no, nag-i-start ka pa lang, talagang itodo mo, i-maximize mo yung opportunity natin kasi dito, lahat ng trabaho, lahat ng pagod mo, bayad na bayad. Ang sarap kasi today, we're buying stuff and we're buying luxury items with the BODs. Kaya dapat next time kasama ka na.
I Am Worldwide Shopping Incentive here at Louis Vuitton!
Grabe ang experience dito sa I Am Worldwide. Imagine mo, meron kaming 200,000 shopping money incentive. Meron ding nakakuha ng 1 million and 3 million shopping incentive dito sa I Am Worldwide. At uubusin namin ngayong araw na to.
Thank you so much, I Am Worldwide, for this kind of incentive. Imagine, humataw ka, may commission ka na nakuha, plus may mga libre pa na mga luxury bags or luxury items na pwede mo makuha dito.
And sa lahat ng mga hindi nakahit, dapat next time kasama ka na dito.
I-hit mo lang talaga yung binibigay na incentive ng company, kayang bumili ng bag na worth 200,000.
We are here in Tiffany & Co. dito sa Greenbelt, and kiniklaim natin right now ang ating 1.2 million worth of necklace and earrings.
And ito yung aking incentive from I Am Worldwide na watch na hindi ko pa na-claim before. So this is worth 2.6 million. And I'll have it for free. So, di ba? Ang sarap. Ang sarap pag I Am Worldwide. Thank you so much, BODs.
Thank you, BODs. Thank you, I Am Worldwide.
First of all, thank you, I Am Worldwide, sa shopping incentive na worth 1 million pesos. Kaya ikaw, kung tingin mo yung sipag at efforts mo sa labas, deserve ng mga ganitong bagay, simulan mo na si I Am Worldwide.
Thank you, BODs. Thank you, I Am Worldwide.
Do you see me, baby, when you hear my inner voice? Your friends don't talk about me, do they know about my body?
Bili na natin. Thank you, I Am.
Your friends don't talk about me, do they know about my voice? But I still
Nakaka-amaze ang I Am Worldwide kasi kumita ka na, may ganito ka pa, di ba?
Hindi namin niisip yung presyo dahil hindi naman kami magbabayad. Why? Dahil incentive to ni I Am Worldwide.
Dapat talaga hatawin at i-ensure mo na makapag-uwi ka din ng sarili mo luxury incentive bag with I Am Worldwide.
Shopping at yours! Shopping at Gucci! Thank you, I Am Worldwide!
Next time, kasama na kayo.
Hello.
Hindi to afford ng sahod ko. Pero ang masarap dito sa I Am Worldwide, libre.